Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vadim and I'm showing you now some shots of our living room and kitchen. We bought a lot of fake plants from Ikea and all of the plants came with black plastic flower pots that does not match our interior color, and I decided to paint them with beige color. So here is me applying first coat of paint. Guys, if you made a mess with paint, you can easily wipe it out with wet wipes. Just do not wait until paint dry. Then I left paint to dry for about an hour, and when it's ready I am applying a second coat of paint. For design I'm using white color. This is a very simple design, really easy to make, plus it looks amazing. This design I found on Pinterest, and almost all of the designs in this video I found on Pinterest. I think everybody can do it. It is really easy to make. Now I'm using white on beige, and I also have dark brown color, which I'm gonna be using now. It is actually a chocolate brown, and I'm gonna be doing the same design as I did with white color. I have about 25 plants, and half of them will be with white design and half of them will be with brown. So I also have few little flower pots, and now I'm just improvising here. So this is the final result. I really like it. This is, in my opinion, the best design. I really like it. Here is the rest of plants that look amazing here. And here's the shot of our kitchen with plants. I think it looks right now much better. So tell me guys what you think, what you like, what you don't like. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.